Now, ahead of BJP's crucial core committee meet, which is to be chaired by party in charge Arun Singh, several BJP MLAs have aired their grievances against Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, demanding his removal. There's infighting, there's dissent, and it's refusing to die down within the party.
It's the BJP versus BJP in Karnataka. And the man at the center of this political storm is Chief Minister Yediyurappa. Knives are out. The rebels want B.S. Yediyurappa out. On Thursday, war of words broke out between Yediyurappa's foes and loyalists. This, even as BJP's Karnataka in charge Arun Singh is in the state to diffuse the crisis. BJP MLC Vishwanath openly demanded Yediyurappa's ouster.
We respect Yediyurappa's contribution in building the BJP in Karnataka. But now, Yediyurappa has not got that spirit, that strength to run the government. It's better to replace with a Lingayat leader.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅರುಣ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ರವರನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಪಕ್ಷದ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ದಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಲಾಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಗಳಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ.
On Thursday, Arun Singh met 30 to 40 MLAs and heard their concerns. He also instructed them not to voice their opinion in public.
जो लोग लगातार ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं जिससे पार्टी की छवि खराब हो रही है, उनके स्टेटमेंट पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, वॉच कर रहे हैं, उनका रिकॉर्ड भी हम इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं. मैं उनसे कहूंगा कि किसी भी प्रकार से उनके वक्तव्य के माध्यम से पार्टी को नुकसान न हो.
But all eyes are now on BJP's crucial core committee meet. The meetings will be held at 5 p.m. and will be attended by CM Yediyurappa and Arun Singh. It is likely that MLA's complaints and grievances against Yediyurappa that have been shared with the party in charge will be discussed in the key meet. The core committee will also analyze the recent by-election results, especially the Belgaum Lok Sabha polls, where BJP merely scraped through to victory. Arun Singh post-Friday will head back to Delhi and apprise the BJP High Command on the present crisis in Karnataka. After receiving the brief, the High Command is likely to take a call on Yediyurappa's future as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.